Hello and welcome back. So I've got a few modifications I want to make to my Sega Game Gear. The first modification is converting to USB-C. As you can see there, USB-C. This is a voltage rail. That also comes with two batteries. I'll get them put in as well. Also the sound module, so I can put two speakers in. There's one speaker there and the other one is in this box. I'll fit the both of them. And there's more. No, it's not just these, because as you can see, this case is a wee bit bruised and battered over the years, so we're going to replace that with this. Now, does that not just look no bad? Look at it. It looks alright, that. Looks alright. So, comes with all the components, buttons, the speaker holders, a wee screen. So I got all these from Retro 6. Brilliant website for retro game consoles. I'll leave a link in the description. Bear in mind, this isn't sponsored by the way, so I had to buy this myself. But if you're out there and you want to sponsor me, then feel free. Feel free. Right. So this is my screen. Obviously in the last video you see me install this. This needs to go in there. However, I need to cut this bit. And I'm not really looking forward to that, if I'm honest. So I think we'll prep this. I'm thinking a tape along here. Well, aye. A tape along here. Aye. Tape. I don't know. Where's my tape? Right, so my plan is to use this. Aye. But I might take this off actually. Alright. Here we go. This bad boy. So after much cutting and nothing got damaged, we can safely say the screen is in. Aye. I'll take that. So what we'll do is we shall leave the screen in a case till later. There's a few things I need to do to the board. Let me tidy this up and I'll be back. So what I would like to do is refit this. I can't remember what it's called, but I've tried to clean it up as best I could because you can't get them anywhere. So I don't want to fling that out. I want to stick that on there. Bing bang bosh. Back on there like so. So I think what we'll do is we shall. Can I take this off? Can I heat this board up? I need to replace this light as well, LED, because it's knackered. So what we'll do is we'll get this solder back on. Bing. Tilly bing. I wonder if I can take this off. Well, I got away with just heating it up like that and then plopping that back on. Time to get some flux on here. And we'll just see if we can soak up all this solder. Then it should make it easier for me to put this on. Just cut a wee bit of this off. Right, let's try this. Tweezers. Right, I've never been good at using this wick stuff. So let's see how good I am. I'll tell you what. Aye. Well, that was successful. Was not expecting that to be anywhere successful. Right, let's see if I can get this plopped straight in. I mean, I've got no way of testing it because I've not got any adapter things for it, so. There's probably easier ways to do this. But we'll do it my way. Right, there's still some. There we go. Right, sorry Spidey, I need you to lie there. Like that. Right. That's a good clean. Right, let's do a quick tidy up. So let's start assembling this. So the speakers, let's just do a wee test run where I want them. So this speaker will come. Speaker module, that's a speaker there, so we want this to come round here and up. What way do I want this to go? Let's get everything attached onto this board. So I'll put the speaker module thing with new, and I'll use this little box. I said I'll use this little box. Alright, I'll use this friggin' box for the screws. So a little screw with my trusted screwdriver, wherever it is. Oh no. I'll come back to this main bit, the new. Right, do I need that? I need this though. Well, what we do need to do, I just remembered, is we need to take all of this off. Well, this isn't coming back anyway, so it's fine. Take the tabs off for the battery connections, because we're not going to be using them. Come on, you little shit. Let's see it. Yep, we have power. See the lights coming on? We have power. Well, I need to put the screen on. That's what I do need to do. Where is that screen? There's that screen there. So we'll take off these wee sticky bits, because once it's on, it's not coming back off. Same detail here. Right, place that down. A wee bit of IPA, just to make sure that there's no getting stuff on it. There we go, nice and clean. Well, as clean as can be, I suppose. Right, so we want this up this way. However, I'm gonna have to trim these down again. There we go. I've managed to get the screen on. That's a pain in the ass. the butt. I'm going to lie to you, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it, my heat gun down to 150 degrees, and I'm just going to heat up the sides of it to get the adhesive to stick a wee bit better. I don't want it too hot because I don't want to damage the screen, you see. We'll go for 140. And full blast. Just keep moving the heat. Do the same on the other side. And then we shall put some pressure down on both sides. Don't know if this is going to work like, but and then that feels good. Feels okay. Right, so I've got the screen in. I hope I've not fucked this screen. So right, I'm going to mount that down here like this. So let's get this in. I also put the brackets on for the speakers. So let's get this in and see how she looks. Put this ribbon cable in. Right, so we need 1, 2, ouch. Let's put these back plates on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I forgot to put the buttons in. As you can see, I'm flittering about trying to put the cartridge in and start the game. Take the cartridge out and start the game. And it turns out it's not going to work because the card reader is fucked. And that's me putting that politely. So if you want to see more content, like and subscribe and share and comment if you wish. Have fun.